Hello peeps, welcome to a Reddit review. Today we're on clean memes because it's clean. YouTube channel. When you get all heated up in an argument and then suddenly realize you're wrong. That's happened to me before. Just got my health quiz back, boys. Being physically active. What is your goal to become? Walk 2 steps. Those 2 steps to get your goal. Take a step with your left foot. Take a step with your right foot. Why are you booting me? I'm right. Doot doot. Why? In an alternate universe. In our world, kids go on tire circles. In alternate universe. A video. Oh god. No. So we're back in the line. Creeper. Oh man. Update for you, sir. Fortnite back, Minecraft. Yeah, I think we all know where this is going. So let's just get to the end. Oh. Poop. I don't get it. Is that something I'm supposed to get? Here's a science fact. If you were to put a small and big intestine on the table, you would die. So true. When the body next to you farts, a boy next to you farts class and blames it on you, and your crush believes him. Ooh. Be like that. When you're trying to make a meme, but there aren't any good formats, so you choose the one that's been dead for a few weeks. Yeah, this is big bang time. Dang, Instagram memes. Reddit watermark maneuver. This is not my creation. I stole it. Simplify, upload, and file, and click to submit to remove Reddit watermarks. Why is this scary? This is a scary image. Yep. It scares you. Yep. But it's not real. Yep. So don't be scared. No. Shrieking Equoski. No. No. I don't like it. Maybe drinks. Oh no. No. Me drinks. Oh, I get it. How did you get through? Edited, not a repost. Impossible. Subreddit has 2,500 people, and you don't get 2,500 upvotes. Math is math. Scary sound. Subtitles, scary town, deaf people. We should keep Spooktober going because we only have 9 days left. When you are making a meme for Spooktober, but you forget to crop out the watermark. How many more hours on Minecraft do we have? Yes. They would never do it. For Christmas, I want a dragon. Be realistic. I want the Minecraft cave update. What color do you want your jacket? Oh my god, I get it. Ew, I know. I made this myself. Homework. Work at home. Not school work. Home torture. Work that you do in a specific living space. gotta pop my fingers. New Borderlands game, Borderlands, the pre-squeakle. Borderlands looks like a fun game, but I've never played it. Skip. Can reduce your risk of drowning by learning and observing too. Know how to swim? Use the buddy system. Never go alone. If you find yourself, know how to swim. Every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute pass. Oops. Every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute passes. The N-word is nipples. I'm tired of you people. What do you mean, you people? Thanos pressured to get back in the States. Thanos claims he's not racist because he has black friends. Oh my god. Don't panic. Okay, I will cancel, but something is wrong. Just don't panic. Spread awareness. Let's spread awareness. Trick or treat. The blue bucket. You see someone with who appears to be an adult dressed up to trick or treat this year carrying a blue bucket. He or she could be autistic. While they could have the body of an adult, they love Halloween. Please help us keep spirit alive and happy. So when you see the blue bucket, share a piece of candy, spread awareness. These precious people
made those.
It's cool.
Look like alien ends, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you how to make it tomorrow.
Okay. These precious people are not too big to trick or treat. Aww. Note to be in Red Hat branch support. Why Disney? Disney Plus does not work on Linux devices, Android users. You're not just wrong, you're stupid. I loved the Cat in the Hat movie, I'm not gonna lie. It was a pretty good movie. Horror movie. I already have the chill. Oh god. Sans will attack us for not posting Spooktober memes. Sans is pretty cool guy. My dog has decided that my hat is now his. Dapper dog. My first post. Be careful around the fabric of reality, Garfield. Crash. Brr. Me post something, Reddit bots. Wait, that's illegal. No, not a meme. No, please, no, don't, no. If I see any memes like that, oh my god. They use that app, I'm guessing. They ask where's the pumpkin, and never house the pumpkin. The first drown must have been like villagers exist. The entire population of villagers. Peace was never an option. Okay, well I wanted to thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.